Here we got a 2018 Cadillac Escalade Luxury, 48,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in black. Beautiful, beautiful premium level, large size SUV here with a brand that's been around for a long time and trusted in Cadillac. As we come around, you can see really bold, stately front end, 3-bar grille with a Cadillac emblem. We got the high intensity headlamps, LED surrounds. You can see all the lights running down the pods, the driving lights there in the lower bumper fascia. As we come around to the side, looks like we got the big 22s, alloy chrome finish wheel. We also got brand new tires here, still has the knobs on the tread. If I get in there close, you can see we put brand new tires on this vehicle all the way around. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, do used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed up by the technician that performed it. Glove box of all of our cars. Button there allows for easy lock, one-touch lock, entry, exit, as long as the fob is present. Premium ebony leather seats, full power seat 10-way there on the passenger side. 2 bucket seats, full console in between. You can tell with all the wood grain chrome accents you were in an ultra premium trim. Just want to show you. Actually, with Cadillac, they give you a glove box button there. Just want to show you, we do have the books, as you can see. Also want to show you, that we did, if I flip it over here, looking for the exact tire depths. There's what we're looking for. Brand new tires, as I showed you, 12s all the way around. And looks like we put brand new brakes on as well, 14 and 15. So we completely put all new brakes and rotors and tires on this vehicle. You will not have to spend a dime in reconditioning if you purchase. You can see the factory running boards. Let's go ahead and open up the back. Second row captains, as you can see there. Allows for easy entrance into the third row. And you can see all kinds of room. Very, very spacious. Lots of third row leg room. Also have heated rear seats. All your controls. The vehicle isn't on right now. We're back there. We do have 2 power supplies down by the floor as well. We also got the entertainment and the headrest. You can see both of the headrests have the screens with individual controls on each screen, so that's pretty cool. Help keep kids quiet on long trips. You won't have to hear, "Are we there yet?" You can see again, wheels are in real good shape. Tires all match. Let's go ahead and come around to the back. We got park sensors all the way around this vehicle. We got a hitch behind the cover there. We got 2 cameras back here to help with your 360. Of course, we got power liftgate. And you can see, even with the seats in the upright position, you still got a little room back here. Keep some belongings. We also got a little false floor that you can keep some more stuff underneath that. Power folding, second and third row, so you got the convenience of that as well. We can also determine how high we want this lift gate to go up. So if you're a little vertical challenged like me, you can still reach all the buttons and controls. Again, all the wheels and tires match, and they're in excellent shape. And it's very clean vehicle, very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. It smells pleasant in here, so I do not believe that the previous owner was a smoker of any kind. Also, again, taking a look through the front, see full power seat on that side as well. Also, we got, of course, memory seating, programmable to 2 and integrated to the key fobs. Power folding mirrors, power mirrors, windows, locks. See, we got your blind spot monitoring and mirror has the lamps on the outside of the mirrors for lane change signals. You can see there, no accidents or damage. Now it says 3 owners. I know at the top of the vehicle video, I said 1. You can see there that the second owner had it 6 days. The third owner had it a month. Those were dealers during importation, so yeah, it was really only a 1-owner vehicle. Looks like the first owner owned it for 2 years and 9 months. Now, let's go ahead and start it up. We got your heads-up display and all your toggle settings for your displays up here across the top. Also got your automatic headlamp controls, electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. Got your wiper controls here, high beams turn signals. Got your forward collision, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, audio controls over here. Of course, we got your power pedals, traction control, all your different modes. You can see it is equipped with factory navigation. Over here we got the glove box button, which I already showed you what was in there. Lane departure, ability to shut off those park sensors that I showed you. Let's go ahead and head to the home screen, see what all we get here. Alright, we're still on the navigation. But we do have AM, FM, satellite radio. You can see there's your radio settings, ability to pair a phone, of course navigation, we were already there. There's your climate, tri-control, obviously rear has their climate controls as well. And of course you got your ability to project in GM onto the screen to keep eyes on the road. Really cool electronic rear view mirror here. That's what we got that second camera there for, but that's very, very clear. I know that seems weird for me to say, but the rear view mirror is a really cool cool deal there. And we do have heated and cooled seats on the driver and the passenger side. You can see the connectivity here, a couple cup holders in here, USBs and auxiliary. We do have the sunroof there as well, with the controls for your liftgate and your sunroof, and of course OnStar all up top. So LED illuminated visors on both sides. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Vehicle has it all though, and a super cool digital rear view mirror. Alright, coming around to front here. Yo, sorry for the bad camera. I need both hands to pop the hood, but you can see a very clean and quiet engine. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminal. Very well maintained, and good looking engine there under the hood. Let's go ahead and shut the vehicle off. We'll get into the last portion of the video here. Of course, power telescoping wheel. I mean, this video could take 15 minutes if I went over every single option, but try to have a lot of the options in the text form there on our website. But now I'm just going to walk the vehicle. Like I said, brand new tires, brand new brakes all the way around. Essentially a one owner with no accidents. I'm just going to walk around and show you, imperfections at this point. I mean, we got a little bug damage on the back of the mirror caps. I mean, we pretty much got stone chips all the way around the vehicle. I mean, it's polished to the nines right now. So, yeah, the chips are a little more evident, but they're not too hateful. I mean, it's nothing any more uncommon than any other vehicle. But obviously on an ultra premium trim, if I see any kind of stone chips, I'm going to point them out for you guys. A couple on the back here. Got a few down here on the lower bumper cover. You can see, and on the hideaway door there for the hitch. Got a little bit of, it's just light scratching on the tail ends there. Up the side again, just a few chips, guys. I mean, that's it. No dings or dents. Just got a couple. That's actually a little dust. Fooled me. That one's a chip. There, yeah, another chip. And we got a little bit of bug damage, a couple chips. I mean, it's a big grill now. It's a big front end on this thing. It's a bug catcher. So we're going to get a little bit of bug damage on there. And then the hood really is where I noticed the majority of the chips. We have touched them up. I'll get a little close on these. Fair amount of stone chips there on the hood, but I mean, all in all, guys, excellent, like new alternative. Does still have a little bit of the remaining powertrain warranty transferable from Cadillac to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallisburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call, area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Of course, you can shop 24/7 online, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.